you wanted to put up some outdoor Christmas decorations today, wasn't really the day, right?
Nah, not the best of days. It was mild, but everything was just
pretty
wet.
Warm-ish,
Right. Yeah,
right?
we got up into the 50s to near 60, and tomorrow we'll feel quite a bit colder for sure. Here are some of the rainfall totals. Highest amount coming in from East Hampton, nearly 3/4 of an inch. Meriden right around a 1/2 inch, and about 1/3 of an inch of rain in Hartford. It was pretty gusty, especially at the southeast shoreline, gusting to 46 miles per hour in Groton, 40 miles per hour in Hartford, and a gust to 38 miles per hour in New Haven. These winds were coming up from the south. That's what pushed temperatures up into the 50s earlier today, but the wind has now changed direction. It's a northwest wind that is a cooler weather wind direction, and it's ushering the mild air out and sending the chillier air down our way. But it's still 50 in New Haven and in Groton even at this hour. Cold front is offshore. Out ahead of that front, it was warm-ish for this time of the year, and certainly gusty today with the round of rain. But now colder air is coming in and will be with us through the day tomorrow. So for the rest of the night, the showers are gone. We'll be clearing out. Temperatures by morning down to about freezing in many spots. During the day tomorrow, a mix of sunshine and clouds, a cooler day. Temperatures in the lower to mid 40s. We'll have a northwest breeze 5 to 15 miles per hour with some gusts up to 25. So there will be a little bit of a wind chill, but with the sun at times, it shouldn't be all that bad tomorrow. So a nice clear sky at 6 in the morning. There will be some cloudiness that comes in for a little while midday into the afternoon. This will dim the sun a little bit. And now that the sun is so low in the sky, it doesn't take much cloud cover to really dim it. But that's what we'll see happen through tomorrow afternoon. And then the clouds will clear out again tomorrow night. Monday, a mostly sunny day. Temperatures actually pop above average into the upper 40s to near 50 because the wind turns around and comes from the south, bringing up that milder air on Monday. So if you're thinking of doing any outdoor decorating, tomorrow and Monday are your days to do it. Those are the reliably dry days in the forecast. Tuesday and Wednesday, a little bit more problematic. That's when our next system comes in. And the interesting thing about this is that it's a front that will just slow down as it approaches southern New England. So we'll get one round of rain on Tuesday, especially in the western half of the state, and then a little bit of a break for a while before another round of rain perhaps comes up from the south for Wednesday. And if you add both of these rounds of rain together, the potential is there for 1 to 2 inches of rain, especially through the day Wednesday. So we'll see how this exactly plays out. If this Wednesday surge of rain does come in, we could have some places that top 2 inches or so of rain. Otherwise, will be more likely around an inch in total. Here's a look at your next 7 days. Again, tomorrow we have a mix of sunshine and clouds, a cooler day, temperatures in the mid 40s. For Monday, we're back up into the upper 40s to near 50 with a lot of sunshine. And then Tuesday and Wednesday both offer periods of rain. But again, temperatures will surge up into the 50s because the wind will be coming up from the south. After that system goes by, Thursday is still a decent day with temperatures near 50. It does look to turn cooler for late in the week, Friday into Saturday, and maybe a couple of showers around, but that doesn't look like an organized system up for Friday at this point. We'll keep an eye on it either way as we get closer to it. But we're heading into really the first half of December here in this forecast, and there isn't any serious cold in sight. Back to you.
Ryan.